Welcome to Defi Crypto today. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to look at something new that's happening at PancakeBunny. And I got my little friend here who's going to show us what's new. Okay, so PancakeBunny has been around for several months already. It's not the safest, but it's relatively safe. Okay, it's fun. I kind of like it. I've invested on them before, and today what's special is that they recently. What's special is that they decided to open up on the Polygon network. Previously, they were on the BNC, the Binance Smart Chain network, because the project, supported by Binance Lab. They've got audits and so on on the Binance side of things. I don't think they've been audited on the Polygon side yet, so it's a bit more risky. So today we're going to have a little bit of fun, and we're going to use the system. I'll show you. I'm not going to invest a lot today, just for demonstration. I'm going to use $100, 100 USDC, and we're going to convert them. I want to show you the new Zap feature, and we're going to play. We're going to put a little bit of money on the pool and have some fun. So again, okay, this is not the safest project, but it's a pretty nice project. I kind of like it. Okay, they had one major exploit back in May. Okay, nobody lost their funds, but the value of the bunny token took a dump. Okay, it went down like crazy. But overall, and they did fix the problem. Okay, there was a hacker exploit, and there was no rug pull. I think the team is pretty decent overall. I think they managed the situation relatively well. So we're gonna have fun. So the project is relatively well trusted. You can see that on BSC they have over $700 million stacked so far. Okay. And they've got all kinds of fun pools. It's called PancakeBunny because our little bunny here likes pancakes. Okay, so you can, if you've got cakes from PancakeSwap, for instance, you can put them in here. You've got various pools for them. And you can earn extra cake plus some bunnies and all kinds of goodies and so on. So you can have fun with this. Okay, again, I use it mostly for fun. Okay, I don't think I'm going to become a billionaire with this. It's a cool little project. I kind of enjoy fooling around with it. So let's have a look at the Polygon side. Okay, all right, these guys. So this started recently, a few days ago. So they have $34 million worth deposited that on the Polygon side. Bunny, and they have their own little Polybunny token, which is different from the other bunny token. You can see the current price is at $10.59 here, and you see the regular bunny is at $18.36, right? So I'm gonna play with Polybunny. So I already connected my wallet, and we're looking at all these fun pools here. So you got liquidity pools where you got a Polybunny with Ethereum. It's giving us an APY of 1464%, which is astronomical, and with an APR of 295, which is still astronomical. And I think we're gonna have fun with this. Obviously, as more and more people put money in these pools, the rates will go down. So, I'm not going to get 1400% at the end of the year. Highly unlikely. But we're going to have some fun for the first few months. We're going to make a few weeks or months. We're going to have a pretty decent interest rate, and why not? Okay. If you find this too exciting, you can use these other pools, which have pretty decent rates as well. Okay, it depends. Maybe you already have these liquidity pairs sitting somewhere earning less. Maybe you want to put them here. Okay, you can have fun with this. All right. So, and you know, you can if you want to just do stable coins, you can just put your DAI USDC liquidity pair and get a pretty decent 9.25% too. Okay, a lot of people put money there. 700,000 already. All right, so but we want to live dangerously. We're gonna have a little bit of fun. Okay, so this is the pool we're interested in today, because I'm really attracted to the high percentage. And I need to get this pair of tokens here to put in the liquidity pool. How I'm going to do that? Well, what's nice at Polybunny, at Bunny in general, but Polybunny, is that they have the ZAP system. And the ZAP system is like you can convert all these fun coins into liquidity pairs like these. Okay, so this is the one we're looking for. Right now I have a little bit of USDC that I put in my wallet to demonstrate here, because I'm doing this for fun. So you see I've got 100 USDC, so I want to see if I can convert it to that. I haven't tried it yet. We're doing this live. We're doing this as we speak. So let's max it. I put 100 here. I still have, remember, when you do these things, you need to have some, how does it work? It's going to do the Polybunny first, and then I'm going to get my ETH. Yeah. Let me see, how does this work? So, okay, I'm going to add the token here so we can see it. Yeah, you click this button if you want to add the token to your MetaMask, otherwise it's not going to show. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to put half. I haven't tried it. I want to play with it. So let's try this. We're going to convert $50 into Polybunny. And we approve the USDC here. Now remember, you're going to need to have some MATIC, so it's charging me a tiny fraction of a MATIC. Okay, I have some MATIC in my account, in my wallet. Okay, it's finally done. It took several minutes, about 5 minutes to get done. That's why I cut off the browser. So let's look what we have in our wallet right now. Okay, so we have MATIC, we have our ETH, we've got our Polybunny. Let's see, can we put that in the liquidity pool? Do we do it here? So let's see. Let's see. I'll put that here, and I'm going to take my Polybunny. Okay, how's that going to work? So I got that. I approve Polybunny. Okay. All right. So we've got some Polybunny ETH LP tokens. Finally. I'm not sure why it didn't work the first time. I must have clicked the wrong thing. Sorry guys. So let's see. Okay, yes, we have our liquidity token here. We got rid of our Polybunny, but we still have some ETH. It should have worked directly from USDC to Polybunny ETH LP tokens. Sorry. First time I'm playing with the Polygon side. Learn from my errors. Okay, so let's go with the ETH. got some ETH here. That's what I wanted to do in the first place. So we're going to take all of it. We're going to approve the ETH. Finally, the MetaMask is acting normally. Confirm. Pending. See how long it takes. It seems that everything we do with ETH takes a little bit longer. Typical Ethereum. Although we're not supposed to be going on the Ethereum full network. This is all done on QuickSwap, which is on Polygon. You see the way it's working, you know, on DeFi, everything is like Lego blocks. Got Ethereum at the bottom, Polygon on top, QuickSwap, and then Polybunny. Okay, so that's been approved. Now we need to zap it. Finally, MetaMask is acting normally. I love it. Okay. Wow, that went fast for a change. Okay, so we should have a bunch of Polybunny ETH LP tokens. We can check that out on our trusty MetaMask. Yeah, it just approved. Let's look at this at the bottom. Yeah, Polybunny is gone. We have our liquidity pool token. Our ETH is gone. That's what we wanted to do. All right, so now we go back to the pools. Pools. We go back to our Polybunny ETH LP pool. All right. Now it's recognizing our wallet balance of Polybunny ETH LP tokens. So we're gonna max it. We're gonna approve. MetaMask reacts normally again. Great. Paying our MATIC gas fees. Yeah, always make sure you have a little bit of MATIC. One MATIC is good enough for dozens of transactions. So that's what I like. I really enjoy about Polygon. You don't need to pay a fortune for gas fees. Okay, now we need to approve the Polybunny ETH. Done. Confirm. There we go. It's coming through. Approve. It's coming. Yeah, still not ready. Almost there. It's gonna take a few more seconds. What do you think, Bunny? Are we gonna succeed today? Yeah, you think so? Huh? Okay. All right. I want to see that. I want to earn those huge interest on my very tiny investment. So let's have a look at it. Okay, we're waiting again. Okay, it took about 3 minutes to make the deposit, so expect to wait a few minutes. Some transactions are fast, but this one is not as fast as the others on Polygon. Okay, Polygon is pretty fast compared to Ethereum, but as you saw in this case, it can take a few minutes before the deposit is made on a liquidity pool. Okay, so we can see our deposit. Okay, it's a tiny investment. I'm doing it for demo purposes and for my own fun. Okay, and this is what you're going to see. You're going to get some profits. This is going to accumulate over time. You can claim it when you want. There are some fees, 0.5% fee for early withdrawals. So if you withdraw your deposit within 3 days, they're going to charge you 0.05%. You have a little timer here telling you how much time you have left. So, you know, 3 days. I mean, don't put most of your money in risky pools like these. Okay, these are fairly risky, but the Bunny project, in my view, is relatively safe. Okay, not as safe as Aave. Okay, it's still, the risk is a fair bit higher. But you know, for fun and possibly make pretty fantastic return, invest a little bit if you feel like it. Okay, I'm not giving you advice on what to do with your tokens, but I'm showing you what can be done and what I'm doing for my own fun. Okay, so see, my profit just went up a bit. So you can see the movement, my profits accumulating right here under your very eyes. So it's a fun little place to put investment. I'm not sure why I missed on the Zap feature earlier, but technically I believe that if you start with any token like USDC, DAI, ETH or whatever, you should be able to convert it directly into the LP token of your choice. I'm not sure why it didn't go through the first time. I must have missed a step, or I don't know. First time I'm using the Polygon side. Maybe something, maybe it's my own stupidity. Who knows? All right, but finally we got there. And when we go back to the pool page, okay, whatever I deposited appears at the top. So if I were to use several pools, the first, they would all appear at the top. And then you can see how much I have invested. And obviously if the Bunny token drops and ETH drops, well, the value here is going to drop. Okay, so that's the normal market fluctuation risk. On top of that, the other risk can incur is that it could be in permanent loss. So if the Polybunny token value drops considerably against ETH or vice versa, I'm going to lose on the other side. So if Polybunny goes down a lot, the pool will try to rebalance the value. Okay, typically they're 50-50. So if one side drops by 50%, they're going to rebalance and you're going to lose some value on the other side. So if a Polybunny would drop considerably, I would lose some ETH because they're going to be replaced by some Polybunnies. Okay, and that's the other risk you have to take into consideration. That's why, you know, if you're going to put some money in here, make sure it's a small part of your portfolio if you feel like playing here. Okay, I'm doing it mostly for fun, and also because the rates are fun. The rates are pretty high, and this protocol has been around for several months. The team is serious enough, and they seem to take care of their people. So, and that's about it for today. So if you enjoyed this crazy video today, please like and subscribe, and don't forget there's a free book. You can download a free PDF book that I wrote about my investment strategies. A lot safer than this, okay, but you can see how you can make earnings, okay, even when the markets are going crazy. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks a lot. Bye.